A regular day with my birds playing. I love my birds. They're so cute. I love them. Don't forget to subscribe to make the birds happy. But happy even now. I don't know if they're happy, but they look happy. Anyways, like and subscribe so you will never ever miss another video. I'm hardly post, but still, I can try. I love them. Go follow my TikTok at XXX and Michael Jackson. And my Twitter at XXX Tentacion and Michael Jackson. Yeah. So, I'll be downloading Instagram soon and I will tell you what my account name is. It's probably going to be the same as all of the others. I get a bit scared when I come near. Well, it's just normal, it's birds. They do like to go in there sometimes to scratch their beak. Anyway, this is just a short. Hope you enjoyed and I'll see you later. Bye.